Hi everyone, in this video I would like to talk about what is Envato Elements used for. And it's a really practical platform where you can use it for content creation, specifically also here for video creation. You can mix up all the stock video footage for any video project that you might have. Also, a good advantage is that they have the After Effects templates that you can mix between the stock video or your own produced videos and create even more outstanding videos, either for YouTube or for some corporate videos that you might require some templates that give you a faster video creation, or even also some animated videos. In the case of music, here is probably one of the thin line opinions that I have with the music, that even if you're creating videos for YouTube, sometimes they will ask, or most of the times they will ask for the license that you can download here from the license in the My Downloads areas, in case that YouTube asks or requires the proof of your license. But yes, they can be used also for YouTube. I don't monetize my YouTube channel, so I don't really have too much experience with this. But from what I heard, it's not that much recommended on the music areas. As well with sound effects, if you need it, Envato Elements is used for us also for that area. Some other areas where Envato Elements is used for is to create flyers, posters, or some other content. So it will be useful if you're already working with Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign, and so on, that you can be searching around, and if you find something really useful for your new content, you can use the templates to create content faster. And I also obviously recommend Canva. Most people know Canva, and if you're not a designer, and if you don't have any knowledge about Photoshop or any other Adobe software, then probably Canva will be a better option. They also have the graphics that you can be mixing around between the graphic templates. Or if you need to do some presentations, they do have for PowerPoint, Keynote, and Google Slides. So that if you are, especially if you're a student and you need some presentation for your classes, you can also use these ones. And they also have a reduced price for students who want to use Envato Elements. The stock footage that you can connect directly to your WordPress website and import the images. So that is a faster way to use images on your WordPress website, or as well for on any other content that you might create. We have the fonts that you can download and install in your computer and be using it for any other Illustrator or Photoshop project. We have add-ons, especially for Photoshop, who is the one that has the most, or Lightroom. If you want to add some special effects to the images, you can also use that. And if we go to web templates, Envato Elements is a really complete platform, since they have digital assets for many of all the cases that you want. And especially, and the most recommended is as well for WordPress, they have templates that can be mixed up with Elementor. It's really easy to install. I have already shown in another video how to use Elementor and Envato Elements. I do recommend it because it's easier to create web pages mixing these two plugins. Or even if you don't want to have the yearly or monthly subscription of Envato Elements, you can have the free versions of the two of them, of Elementor and Envato Elements, so that you can create your page and have a really nice, really cool template for free. So those are the uses of Envato Elements. It's a highly recommended platform, and it does have a variety of uses for content creators, for web developers, for designers, for marketing people. It's a really good tool to have. If you have some comments, questions, don't hesitate to write them. Thanks for watching.